Keep doing what you're doing. You're actually really inspirational. Keep doing what you're doing. You're actually really inspirational.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe
Be fucking
Bartolozzi.
vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the
Be
song.
fucking vegan.
And Google watch
Be
thatvegan.com.
fucking vegan.
Some girls are following me. They're about to talk to me. I'm really not in the mood. Should I just hide? Oh God, here they come.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. What are you guys selling?
We're not selling anything. We're just here for...
They're not selling something.
It's not real fur. It's vegan.
It's fake. We like it. Hello.
How are you doing?
What are your names?
Ava.
Hi, Ava.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Nav.
Now, hi. What are you guys doing with these things?
We're just,
Does this have to do with the election?
The elections, yes.
Oh, you just took a course? You want to work for the election? Did you want to show me what vegetables you're eating? Fruit?
Yeah, I actually love broccoli.
What kind of nuts and seeds did these ladies eat today?
Pumpkin seeds. I can promise
We like
you
it.
that.
And
Yep.
She also had pumpkin.
Yeah, that's it.
pumpkin seeds. It's pumpkin season. All right.
Right around for the season, pumpkins, right?
Oh, yeah.
Halloween.
All right. So, how vegan are you?
Actually, I have not had meat in a while. I don't identify as a vegetarian or a vegan, but like,
Why?
because meat tastes good, honestly.
Yeah.
She doesn't identify as someone who's nice to the animals.
No, I love animals, but
She loves animals,
I love
but
them so
she
much that I
pays
eat them.
people to hurt them.
put you on the spot. So when did you start being vegan? Or have you been
She
vegan
wants
since-
to know how long I've been vegan or when I started. I'm much more interested in why she keeps eating animals. Why?
They taste good, honestly. That's like the main reason.
So, do you know what happens to the baby cows?
No. And I don't.
She knows me, but she doesn't
think
listen to the baby cows are murdered, so you shouldn't be drinking any cow's milk. You know what happens in the industry, right? They didn't ever teach you in school?
Yeah, they actually did.
Shortly after birth, newborn babies are stolen from their mothers and placed in tiny cages. Male calves spend their entire short lives in these terrible cages, where they can barely move. Then, without ever enjoying anything in their lives, they are sent to the slaughterhouse. Female calves will be turned into milk machines, following the fate of their poor mothers. After 4 or 5 years, when their bodies collapse from physical and mental exhaustion, they too are sent to slaughter.
The baby cows are murdered, so you shouldn't be drinking any cow's milk. You know what happens in the industry, right? They didn't ever teach you in school?
Yeah, they actually did.
Okay,
Yeah, fully.
good. What grade was that in?
My teachers did it every year.
Every year?
Yeah.
Okay, so what happens to baby cows and what happens in the dairy industry, as far as you know?
The milk is taken from them.
From who?
The animal.
From
The animals.
From the mothers? Okay. And what happens to the babies?
They don't receive that milk.
So what happens? What happens to the babies?
They turn into Big Macs. I don't know. No, genuinely, like, I'm sure they get slaughtered or they're just malnourished.
So in the dairy industry, they take the baby boys away from their moms because they'll never be able to give milk. So they're considered to be useless. Does that seem right to you?
Honestly, like, I'm thinking about
She's thinking about identifying as a nice person.
So you
We're
need
getting
to
somewhere.
convince us.
Yeah.
I don't need to convince you of anything. I'm just here to, do surveys about how mean humans are. And I'm just trying to understand the world. I don't have to convince you to be nice. I can't convince you. She thinks I can convince her to not be racist towards animals. I can't do that.
Race. I'm not sure I would use that term.
She wouldn't use the term racist towards animals. What would you call it? when you're cruel to
Because-
someone just because they look different. You don't need to drink cow's milk. What's another type of milk you could drink?
Almond milk.
Milk and
Cashew.
yeah, cashew. What else?
Girl.
What else?
She knows her soy milk.
Soy milk.
Is there pumpkin milk?
Probably there's pumpkin milk. Probably. Why not? I don't think you can buy it in the regular grocery store.
What about goat's milk? But like,
No.
if you
Why
get it
is it
yourself and
wrong?
then leave some for the babies.
Do you
There
think
you
it's
go.
okay to steal from animals? Would you like it if somebody pinned you down and stole milk from your breast? Oh
Okay,
yeah.
no, I see your point. I see your point.
We don't take things from animals. We don't steal from animals.
Okay, wait. I actually have a good argument. Drinking water is basically.
I doubt that.
like
Don't worry. She's going to tell me that drinking water is stealing a fish's home.
Exactly.
Can you believe it? How old is she? She's not even 12. Like, she's not 12 or 11. This is what the 8-year-olds tell me. Like, she can't be serious, right? I'm going to ask her again. She can't really be serious. Then she's probably going to tell me that that breathing is stealing the I don't know, the bird's home or something. Let's I don't know what they're teaching kids in school.
They don't teach. Actually, that's the issue.
So they don't teach.
We self-teach. Yeah.
So can you do me a favor and just watch a documentary for me?
Of course. What is it called?
Would you? Okay, it's called Dominion. Dominion.
DOMNION.
Dominion movement. So you go to watchdominion.com. Watchdominion.com.
Got it.
Okay. Do you remember what it was?
Sorry?
Do you remember the name of it?
Dominion?
Watchdominion.com. Like it's all that.
I heard
After you type in watchdominion.com, okay? You'll find out what happens because they don't tell you this in school. You say you were taught in school, but I don't really know that you fully were, right? Maybe they missed a couple parts. Do you know what they do to the baby chicks? Do you know why you shouldn't be eating eggs?
Oh, I don't eat eggs.
So you never eat anything that has eggs in it. You never.
No, I'm allergic.
You never go and.
I'm allergic.
See, that's punishment because you.
So-
because I eat too many eggs.
Okay, so let's say you weren't allergic to eggs. Do you know why it's wrong to eat eggs? What do you know what they do to the baby chicks in the industry?
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
Baby boys, the baby boy chicks,
Yeah, why?
because they can't reproduce. Well, I mean, like
They'll
they
never
can't
lay eggs, right? So they're considered to be useless.
I have not passed biology.
So
No, I meant like they can't lay eggs. Yeah.
yeah. So also, what about the females? What did they do to them?
They force them to lay eggs and then take their eggs away.
Do you eat at McDonald's?
Usually.
Do they
Okay.
have a vegan burger there?
I doubt it, but it'd be something to look into.
Well, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you watch the documentary. WatchDominion.com. Okay?
I will.
Really, if you guys, like, you seem like you're nice girls, like, honestly, I don't think you're actually mean. You're laughing a bit because it's normal, right? When you're just a bit nervous or whatever. But, like, please watch it because it's
Don't look at me like.
it's actually heartbreaking. Like, I really cried when I found out the truth about what's happening to the animals. So maybe you guys, would you watch it together and let me know how it went?
With Megan.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll even have
Well,
one of our friends.
Be
join.
careful though, because it's not a joke movie. It's not something you want to just keep watching and just, not take seriously. You're probably better off to watch it yourself unless you are like really serious about learning. Whoops, I'm not holding this very well.
No, we are serious about it.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you guys? Because it's like, I think it's 16 and over or 18 and over, the documentary.
We should be careful. Yeah.
Because it can be dramatic. You just find out the truth, It's pretty sad. But thanks for agreeing to watch it. And, if you guys watch it and you want to come and meet me somewhere, I can come back to the mall. You can tell me what you learned, what you saw. It would be helpful to people and humanity and to the animals. Do you know how to find me?
On Instagram or I don't have TikTok, so I don't know.
I think she's banned from TikTok.
Are you? Are?
Huh?
You are banned?
They think I'm banned. They don't
Oh,
know
she's
about
got
my
a
latest
secret-
account.
she's got, like,
Wait, are you the vegan teacher?
It depends. Do you like me or not?
I do.
Then I am.
The actual one? Are you the actual one?
I am.
It's the vegan teacher. She has like 4 million subscribers.
No, I don't. No, I had like close to 2 million, but they took down my account.
Bye.
Now I have a new account that has 500,000, but they're trying to take it down.
Keep doing what you're doing. You're actually really inspirational.
Oh, thank you. You kind of caught me off guard here. I'm trying to do my video of the day. So anyway,
Can we get a quick picture if you don't mind?
are you gonna put a mustache on me?
On me.
Sometimes people are mean. They take a picture of me and then they put a mustache on me.
mean.
All right, let's do it. Take a picture. Group picture. Me and the ladies. Da da da. Smile. Hi.
Oh, cute.
All right. Hold on. You're gonna. Do you have? Is that an
Instagram?
iPhone?
Yeah,
You want to send it to me?
of course.
Okay. Say bye, everyone. Say go vegan or try. Say try to go vegan. Come on.
Try to go vegan.
Okay. Try.
Just try to live.
Yeah, they're trying. They're trying. All right. The heart's in the right place.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow.